Hello students, today we will see what is a folded dipole antenna. After the completion of a single dipole antenna, we will go for the folded dipole antenna. So the folded dipole antenna is a very important variation of conventional half wave dipole antenna. So in or half wave or simple dipole antenna, we will see this is a single pole and this will be again single pole. So this is a sing, single plus single, that is a means here this wavelength is 1 by 4th, this is 1 by 4th, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is a lambda by 2 half wave dipole. So in folded dipole antenna we will see basic of folded dipole antenna, then what will be the operation of folded dipole antenna. After this we will see what is advantage, disadvantage and application of folded dipole antenna. So in basics of folded dipole antenna, the two half wave dipoles are there. This is one half wave dipole and another is this one will be the second half wave dipoles. So one is continuous, this particular dipole is continuous, and other is split at the center. So here this will be the split at the center, and for that one we will give the transmission line. This is the two wire transmission line, and for that one we have given the feed signal as a AC signal. After giving the AC signal, the current is flowing through the folded dipole antenna. The split dipole is feed at a transmission line. Here the split dipole is feed at a transmission line. The length of this antenna is a lambda by 2. This is a half wave length antenna. So why it is called folded? One pole will be simple, one pole will be simple as it is, and another pole will be folded like this one. So that's why it is called as folded dipole antenna. So what will be the main advantage of this antenna is it has a high input impedance as compared to dipole antenna. It has a high bandwidth, high directivity, high gain, and it has a 300 ohm of transmission line. So this transmission line is of a 300 ohm. After this, the two dipole, for this two dipole we have to apply the AC signal. After applying the AC signal in terms of voltage, the current is flowing through the particular folded dipole antenna. After this one we will see what is the operation of folded dipole antenna, what is radiation pattern of folded dipole antenna, and why we have to use the folded dipole antenna. So in folded dipole antenna it will be work on the two modes of operation. One is transmission mode and another is antenna mode. So in transmission mode, if you observe, the current is flowing in opposite direction. So for this pole the current is flowing like this one, and for another pole the current is flowing like this. So for upper side the current is flowing like this, and for lower side the current is flowing like this. So these two currents, I for upper dipole and I for lower dipole, these two current are cancelled to each other, and there is no radiation will takes place, because in electromagnetic signals the two waves, two fields are there, electric field and magnetic fields. Both the fields are cancelled to each other, and there is no such sort of signal transmission will takes place. So in transmission line mode there is no such sort of radiation of signal will occur. If the radii of two conductors are equal, then equal current will flow in both the conductors in the same direction. That is, current are equal in magnitude and phase. in two dipoles, since the total power developed in folded dipole is equal to that developed in conventional dipole. Therefore, the input or terminal impedance of folded dipole is greater than the conventional dipole. Again, the second operation is, that is the antenna mode. So in antenna mode, we have given the AC signal for the feed points. Here this is the feed points. So two wire transmission line we have to use it. So I assume I, A and B. So for A, the current is flowing like this one. Similarly for B, the current is flowing like this. So here the voltage will be developed. That voltage will be again divided into two parts. For this dipole it is V by 2, and for this dipole it is again V by 2. Its length is again the lambda by 2. So the current is flowing in the same direction. So this is I by 2 and this is again I by 2. So I equal to I by 2 plus I by 2. So same amount of current will be flow in a equal direction. In transmission mode, the current will be cancelled because of the on upper side the current is flowing in the particular, that is from left to right side, and for the lower dipole the current is flowing from right to left side. So this current will cancel and no waveform will be generated. So in antenna mode, the voltage will be developed on upper side, that is V by 2, and lower side, that is V by 2. So these two current will add and the form of current will be I is there. So these are the two modes of operation of folded dipole antenna. Now we will go for the advantage. So the in advantage, it has a, firstly it has a high input impedance, high bandwidth. Again that transmission line is that here the two wire transmission line we have to use it, that should be 300 ohm of transmission line. Again the disadvantage is same as the dipole antenna, that is the displacement, then outer managements, then connectivity. Afterwards we'll go for the applications. So in applications we'll use this and folded dipole antenna in Yagi Uda antenna application. In older days we have to use a Yagi Uda antenna for 3V reception of signal. In older days Yagi Uda antenna is used for Doordarshan television signal receptions. Same thing, we have to use the folded dipole antenna in FM broadcasting, then AM signals. Again it will be used as a driven element in folded dipole is used as a driven element in Yagi Uda antenna. Then simple dipole is used as a reflector and director in Yagi Uda antenna. Okay, so here today we will see the basic of folded dipole antenna. So in basic of folded dipole antenna, we will see what is the function of two poles, why we will call this one as a folded dipole antenna, what is the length of wavelength of folded dipole antenna, then operation of folded dipole antenna. In operation of folded dipole antenna, there are two modes, transmission mode and antenna mode. So in transmission mode, it will not radiate the signal, while in antenna mode, it will radiate the signal. Then we will see what is the voltage, current, direction in antenna mode. Then afterwards we will see what is advantage, disadvantage and application of Yagi Uda antenna. Thank you.